Welcome to How to Solve. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you new features on your iPhone wallpaper. So take note that this is applicable to iOS 16. And on your lock screen, simply hold the screen to customize your lock screen. And then click the plus button here, and here you will see different features. First is the photos, which allows you to choose wallpaper from your photos. And the next is people. So here you will see different faces of the people in your photos. And then next we have the photo shuffle. So here you can manually select or just let your phone do it for you. You can also set a schedule on how often you want to change your wallpaper. And you can also make an album for this. So you will just select that and all the photos in that album will shuffle as your lock screen wallpaper. And we also have different emojis, weather, astronomy, and colors. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.